Welcome back to another daily wrap-up from InnoTrans 2024. On an exciting and newsworthy day 3, where would we be without rail-based transportation, especially in cities? Let's start with great news first. We're happy to share the news that we've signed an agreement with RS for Vectron locomotives. Additionally, we kicked off a game-changing signaling project. CBTC is coming to the hometown of InnoTrans, the capital of Germany, Berlin. Also, our project London Underground trains for the Piccadilly Line has been awarded with the prestigious ERCI Innovation Award 2024. There was also an official career tour of Messe Berlin stopping by, so yes, if you're thinking of growing your career at Siemens Mobility, we have lots of opportunities and always love to meet new talents. Mainline digitalization and urban kept on delivering, but there's more to come. So watch out for the Day 4 wrap-up at InnoTrans 2024.